This video is for forex traders and crypto traders. If you know you trade the forex market and the futures market in crypto, then this video is for you. This video is all about smart money concept. If you know you trade break of structure, you trade change of character, you trade equal highs and equal lows, liquidity, demand and supply zones, then stay glued to this video. And I bet you, pick popcorn and a little bit of a drink. Sit back and watch this video to the end. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and equally share this video to your friends so that they can get this knowledge you're about to get in this video all for free. In this particular video, I will be exposing a very secret tool that will help you make some analysis on your own, on your trading view. You don't need to start looking for break of structures with your naked eyes, trying to identify the market structure or the order flow and everything. This particular tool or indicator does that for you. And guess what? This particular tool is there in your trading view. I'll be exposing it in this video. So just relax and stay to the end of this video. If you find it very interesting, you can also go ahead to subscribe and equally turn on your notification so that you can actually get the update of our videos, because majorly what we do here is to expose secrets for traders on how you can become a successful trader. Mind you, this particular strategy has proven to be very effective. 80% of the time I have used it. And again, this particular strategy, number one, why I love to use it personally is because number one, it saves time. It saves my time. When I come to the market, instead of looking around the market, trying to identify the market structure, trying to identify the direction of the market, trying to identify change of characters and break of structures, I just go straight to this indicator, click on it, turn it on my trading view, and boom, it shows me everything, draws every line, draw every support and resistance zone, draw every demand and supply zones on that particular chart, and then I take my trade. That is exactly what you need to do. I'll be showing you what that particular indicator is in this particular video and how you can turn it on in this particular video. So stay to the end. Number two, this particular tools is going to help you do your analysis without having double mind whether it's going to play out or it's not going to play out. So even though when you are busy somewhere, you can actually turn on this particular indicator and it makes the analysis for you, and you equally take your trade without even, or you can make your trade on your own self, by your own self, and then turn on this particular indicator in order to verify the zones you have chosen if it's actually aligned with what the indicator is giving you. And this indicator works on every time frame, be it 15 minutes time frame, be it 1 hour time frame, whatever time frame it might be. This indicator works on it. So I'll be heading straight to my chart to show you exactly how you're going to set this particular indicator on your chart and how you're going to make use of it. Just take a look at this particular video on my screen. You can see the indicator drawing those lines for me, the change of character line, the break of structure, the equal highs and equal lows, and I just take my trade and it plays out. That is exactly how this particular indicator is going to help you. In case you don't have this knowledge, or you don't have this foresight, or you don't have this particular, like you always make wrong analysis, this particular indicator is going to help you, especially if you are an SMC trader and you trade based on a demand zone, supply zones, break of structure, and the rest. This particular indicator is going to help you. So now let's rush down to our trading view and identify. I will teach you exactly how to set this up in a trading view and how you're going to use it. Stay tuned. All right, this is my trading view app and this is my watch list. So we are just going to use the first pair there, which is Sushi USDT perpetual contract for Bybit. So I'll open the chart. Now opening the chart, you can see from the chart that it is just lame. There's nothing going on in the chart. I can only see that it's on a downtrend. But then look closely here. Look closely here that I just marked. You'll notice where it is written smart money concept with an eye icon. An eye icon that is cancelled. That particular smart money concept is the indicator I'm talking about. But this particular indicator, it is written there because I've already added it to my favorite. So I can just simply click on this eye icon and it will display immediately on my chart. Like let's take for instance, clicking on this eye icon now, it will automatically make the analysis for you. Can you see? This is awesome, guys. Isn't this awesome? It will automatically make the analysis for you wherever it started. It will show you where there is a break of structure, where there is an equal high, where there is an equal low, where there is a change of character, and it will mark the zones, the demand and supply zones, marking out the strong highs and weak lows for you, and all those things. It will do every analysis for you. Isn't this amazing? What is left for you is just to choose a particular zone to take your trade. You might actually take this zone for long, and then take the strong high to be your TP after your analysis, or then you can actually do otherwise. So just it will just mark out all those zones for you, the strong highs just as seen. So whenever I don't want to see again, I can actually click on the eye icon, it will disappear. That's because I have added it to my favorite in my trading view. Now, how are you going to add this particular indicator so that it will actually make your analysis easy? First of all, if you're using your analysis on, sorry, if you're using your trading view on a PC, click on this particular icon here. Click on this particular icon here. Click on this particular icon here. This particular icon that's looking like a candle. Click on that particular icon here. Okay, let me use an arrow to illustrate it. Let me use an arrow to click on this particular icon here. Click on that particular icon there, just down here. When you click on it, if you're using a PC, but if you're using your phone, your mobile phone, click on these three dots just below here. Click on these three dots here. These three dots are the extreme here. Click on it, then you will see indicators. That's if you're using mobile, but if you're using PC, just go ahead and click on this. Now when you click on this, type smart money. You can just type smart money. It will bring out a lot of smart money indicators. Now the particular one that does that magic is this smart money concept, looks ago. That is this particular one that I've added to my favorite already. This is it here. So you can actually click on it, add it to your favorite, and add it to your toolbar, just like I did. You can just add it to your you can just add it to your favorite. Sorry. Now when you do that, it will not appear up here. Whenever I click on it this way, click on the eyes, it will automatically make the analysis for me, and it will make your work so much easy. You can see that this particular demand zone has been tapped, that the market drew. This particular one has been tapped. It has been tapped somewhere around here. It has been tapped somewhere around here, and the market went up, tapped the other supply zone up, coming down. So you can just use it to decide make your trading decisions, and it is very fast and reliable. It can help you find those. It works on different time frame as well. This is 2 hours time frame. Let's go to 4 hours time frame. Let's go to 4 hours time frame. I'm trying as much as possible to make this video very short. Let's go to 4 hours time frame. You can see it works on 4 hours time frame as well. You can see another supply zones up and up that is still yet to be mitigated, that they are still unmitigated. So you can see that you can see your week low and all those things in your higher time frame. When you go to your 30 minutes time frame, it will still show you analysis. But then mind you that analysis done on a higher time frame is more stronger. Analysis done on a higher time frame is much more stronger. In lower time frame, there are a lot of noise. Just like as you can see, you're seeing a lot of BOS, equal lows, equal high, change of character. So it is preferred that you use it on a higher time frame. So that is that for that. Just go and do this on your trading view now, and start trading with ease and with purpose and with more clarity while you are on your trading journey, and make more money. Stay glued to this channel to get more of these videos. That is exactly how you're going to make use of this indicator to make your analysis. Amazing, right? Amazing. Now head over to your trading view and make up this setup, and then trade to infinity, make your money, and enjoy your life. If you actually find this video very important and interesting, go ahead to click the subscribe button, and go ahead to equally share this video and invite your friends. Share the link to your friends so they can actually come to this channel as well. I am always exposing trading secrets, how you can trade and get it more easier. I'm always exposing things that can make your trading journey very easy and simple. So stay glued to this channel and don't forget to turn on your notification so that you can actually get the notification of our next video. I will equally be exposing more. Shalom.